What is good, chat? What is good? Happy Friday, last day of the week. Right. If you're in the chat, let me know. What is good? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, let's wait for more people to join in. It's my first time browsing the market today. Galin natin lahat ng drawings and indicator. Got the volume imbalance here. Rejection block. L side. Sometime buy side for value gap here. Bullish FVG. Got a bearish one in here. Tapos, we got regular trading hour gap from yesterday. We got Endog. Interesting. Good evening guys. Wala akong clear na bias going into today. Wanna see what the YM did. Bullish ako on YM today. This for value gap. Could trade all the way down in here. Pero bullish ako on YM. Good evening, Sir Mark. Good evening, good evening. Good evening, mechanical trader. ES. Take tayo ng low from December. I believe this is monthly low. Yep. Take tayo ng low on ES on December. More on a bullish side ako today, I would say. Mas bullish ako on the market today. After we take out this low. Gap need to get filled. We got bullish 1 hour as well. Yeah, mas favor ako sa bullish side rather than the bearish side today. Buy side up here. Yeah, more on bullish ako today on the indices. Dollar, nag-dump tayo on this for value gap na hinighlight ko from last Wednesday. Very interesting to see ano mangyari dito kay Euro once we hit this level. Interesting. Wala tayong NFP today. No NFP today. Yeah, bullish ako today, especially on the YM. We were supposed to have NFP, but it got cancelled. Cancelled ang NFP, chat. Di ako makapag-ingay kasi chat. Girlfriend ko tulog na. She's tired. My goal for today is just simple. Just take one good trade. No need to keep pushing it. Ano na kasi ako eh. Green na ako on the wick, so don't want to give back profits. Market is just consolidating right now. Ano tayong news ng 10 o'clock chat? News at 10. It'll be interesting. May kondo ka? No. Wala akong kondo chat. I'm not rich. I'm not that rich. Do I look like na may kondo ako chat? I feel like condos are overrated. Sobrang daming condo vacancy sa Pilipinas. And their appreciation doesn't make sense. Sobrang daming vacant, sobrang daming supply. Especially sa BGC. How much is condo sa BGC? Like rent? Anong website ba ang maganda mo? Condo BGC for rent. Look. Sobrang daming supply. You live in BGC chat. 100k a month for a 3-bedroom. Like, what the fuck? Are you kidding me, bro? Although parang siyang penthouse, but does this look like more 100k a month? 68 square meter, 70k a month. Oh. Na. Ito, mura to. 39K a month. Kaso 36 square meter. Pero not bad. I would take this. 36K sa BGC. Live there for a year. Damn. Looks good. Not bad. Future type. Solid though. 230E a month. Ano to, mga pang CEO? Mga foreigner, mga target market na mga ganito. Solid yung rent, no? Pero bago ka mag-rent ng ganito, might as well do it in other country. Like Bali. Solid to. Look at this. 550,000 per month. Pang ano to Epstein. Rich boys. Elon Musk. Grabe, ang laki nito. 280 pesos per meter. Sarap. Sarap din ng bayad. Crazy. Ang hina ng mic ko. Ayan. Hina ko yung music. Musta sa kotse mo? All good. Decent. Anong tinitrade ko? NQ, ES, YM, whichever I see fit. We're moving a bit. Grabe yung London move. Like, London move 200 points, which is pretty crazy. I'm looking for possible OTE. OTE is what I'm looking for today. Mas gusto ko yung bullish side. I like the bullishness of this market. So we'll see if we're gonna get it. Excuse me. Market's about to open. Ilang minutes pa? 10 seconds, chat. 10 seconds. Market is gonna open. Let's see. We got a regular trading hour gap on the downside as well. We're dumping. Ayan na. Ayan na siya, chat. There we go. There we go. There we go. Doot 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 doot. Doot 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 doot. We're dumping. We're dumping, we're not dumping. What are you gonna do, my friend? ES leading higher. What does the Dow is doing? Hindi ko alam anong ginagawa ni Dow. Oh, it's pushing higher. Dow right now is pushing. It's going, chat. It's going. I think we're gonna go to an all-time high on Dow today. All-time high on the Dow is the target. Solid yung Dow. It's ripping. What does this look like? Nasdaq just failed to trade lower again. Solid si Dow, chat. I want to see Dow trade all the way up sa all-time high today. Nasdaq, I'm bullish on the Nasdaq as well. We just put on a good SMT on the Nasdaq and ES. Wow, it's ripping. Solid tong ES. It's ripping higher. Like ES has more chance to the upside than NQ. Mas gusto ko yung ES upside kaysa sa NQ today. Ilang points to? Got the first presented for value gap on the ES. Gusto ko yung ES for longs. Pag nag-retrace to sa 50%, gonna see if I can take this long. We put on a good SMT sa 1 hour. Kung nag-retrace tayo sa 50% for value gap ni ES, magta-take ako ng longs. Gusto ko mag-long on ES at this level. Raise ako ng about 250 something. 686, 686, 686, 688. So, if I take a one contract here, 700. So yeah, risking. Solid pati si Dow, grabe. Hindi ko nakuha yung retracement na gusto ko makita kay Dow, which is dito sa 1 hour FBG. Pero grabe to. Lakas. Lakas ng Dow sa market open. All time high is the target. Shit, grabe itong candle na to, chat. Dildo candle. Maganda yung SMT na nilagay natin between AS and NQ. That's why I'm trying to long ES at the moment. So I target yung previous day high. Ito, previous day high on ES. See if we can have that. Ganda ng SMT, oh. This is like the manipulation on the NQ side. And we're still pushing. Crazy. Grabe. No feels, huh? No feels. Just crazy. Just buy and close your eyes. Bakit ganun? Putol-putol yung data ko sa NQ. Maybe wala kang market data? May Apex ka ba? Solid. Di ako, pinagpala dito sa ES. I want a long ES at this area. Hopefully you get a retracement. I want that long on ES. Solid. Very clean price action this week, chat. One of the best PA I've seen since New Year. Ang bilis di ako nakapasok. Yeah, I mean, ako wala akong model dito, honestly. I wanna see it trade inside the 930 FVG on the ES. NY high. NQ, I think we trade above here, previous day high. Meron din tayong daily for value gap sa previous day high, which can be seen in here. Ayan o. So I think we're gonna trade all the way up here on NQ. Pero feeling ko mas mauna si ES. So I'm trading ES today. I think ES can trade sa previous day high or monthly open niya. Problema lang dito, meron tayong news ng 10 o'clock. Pwedeng yung news mag-distribute lang siya sa upside and then we're gonna chop between 10 to 11. That is something I'm thinking. What if umangat lang tayo hanggang mamayang 10 o'clock and then after news it's gonna chop? Something to think about. Oh, we're retracing on the NQ finally. I want to see that retracement on the ES. I want to see the retracement on ES. Although this NQ longs is valid, mas gusto ko pa rin si ES. I would stick with ES today. ES is gonna be at this level, I would say 44 points move. Wow, that's not bad. NQ is like 227. Crypto is bouncing as well. Tingnan niyo yung XRP. XRP is up 19% from these lows. Crazy. I'm waiting, chat. It's either I'm gonna get filled here or maghintay ako ng news. 10 o'clock. The fuck? Solid, nag-push lang yung market higher. Long retracement. What a clown world. Solid yung YM, grabe. Did not give any entry at all. I have a question for you. I have a 50k account. How much po ba you need to be able to request 2k payout? Kailangan mo ng 54k 100 to request 2k payout. I'm a bit chill stream today, chat. Bawal ako magingay. Because it's already late. Somebody's sleeping. Can't go crazy today. I'm just waiting for a retracement. I'm not gonna be longing here, but I'll be interested with the higher prices as a draw, especially on the ES. Previous day high is my target for the ES. But before I mag-engage in this, I want to see a deeper discount bago ako maghanap ng entry. Hindi ako interested dito sa price above here. I want to see trade into this at bare minimum dito sa 5 minute. If I did not get filled dito sa 930 for value gap, pag di ako na-fill dito sa 50%, I'm gonna see if basta gusto ko ma-fill niya tong 5 minutes muna before ako mag-start mag-trade higher. Grabe. It's not giving any, huh? Solid pati yung YM. Can't believe it. Na-miss out ko to. I like this longs. Wala akong model dito. At all. Solid din yung ano, Asia, London. It's just a continuation today. Even the crypto is rallying up. Nagbabounce ang crypto today. Nag-take out na tayo ng NY high. Market is in a rush to trade higher today, huh? I've been watching YM since last year. It couldn't get past that 4900 price. Maybe it's gonna happen today. 50k. It's possible. Possible 50k today. Possible yung 50k. It's not impossible in my opinion. I think doable ang 50k on YM. Even a 50% retracement dito on YM would be good in my opinion. Solid din yung 4-hour closure. Titignan mo yung 4 hours, solid yung closure niya. So, if naghahanap ka ng continuation sa 4 hour, measure mo lang tong candle na to. Gamit ka ng quadrant. Yung next 4 hour candle, hintayin mo siya mag-trade into 0.75. Ideally, hindi siya umabot ng 50%. 0.75 would be enough. Hindi na ma-replay yung live? I don't know. It should be. You should be able to do it. Ten o'clock news chat. Gonna be interesting. Nasdaq just dumped. BPR. About to trade dito sa 5-minute FPG. At this point, hindi na ako ganun ka-interested sa Nasdaq. We're closing into the news. So, like I said, mas gusto ko longs on ES rather than NQ. It's good that we're retracing sa Nasdaq, but ang gusto kong entry is gonna be on ES, not on NQ. News at 10, chat. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Gusto ko makita mag-trade CES dito, then I'll be a willing buyer. Not willing yet in here. Oh, 10 o'clock news, my friend. What are you doing? Give that 10 a.m. news, my friend. 10 a.m., 21 seconds. Here we go. NQ is dumping back into this 934 value gap. I want to see ES trade. Possible dito mag-create tayo ng new low on the NQ. ES will not make a new low. Form another SMT. There we go. The news, chat. There is the news. Nag-top tayo into 15 minutes for value gap on NQ. We also have this 5. I do think na NQ should trade above. Wow, sobrang laki ng gap na to ah. What's this gap? I don't know what this gap. Ah, kasi is it bank holiday this week? Bakit putol yung chart ko? I don't get it. I need to refresh my data, chat. Putol yung chart ko for some reason. Putol siya pag nasa 1 hour. Putol siya, oh. Hindi niya pinapakita yung data point from yesterday. We're just continuing to trade higher on YM. Freaking crazy. Can't believe YM did this. Freaking crazy on YM. 50k in my opinion. We could trade at 50k sa YM. One and done lang ako today. One and done trade. If we could trade dito sa 930 FVG ni ES, I'll be a willing buyer. Ngayon ko lang na-realize nag-trade tayo sa 4-hour gap. Bakit kaya ganito tong NQ ko? Yeah. Bakit meron siyang gap? I don't get it. Feeling ko may problema yung trading view. It's not supposed to have a gap like this. I don't get it. Nag-open na ako ng new tab eh. Tingnan nga natin dito, NQ Day Trading. Just so weird now. Naalala ko tong setup ko na to. Bakit meron siya? Hindi ko maintindihan. I still don't get it. Pwede tayo mag-trade sa chat, no? Dito sa 4-hour bullish for value gap muna before tayo mag-trade higher, which is essentially yung OTE area ni NQ. Pag nag-flip tayo sa 5 on NQ, ito yung initial na gusto ko kanina. But yeah, we'll see. I wanna see how the 15-minute close. Pag nag-close tayo while inverting this whole thing, tatanggalin ko yung order ko kay ES because I don't like trading kapag conflicting ang bias ko between ES and NQ. I wanna see paano mag-close yung NQ. So pwede tayo mag-trade all the way down dito sa OTE niya, but ideally hindi na. So I still have my order at this 930 per value gap. I still have it. Bakit nawala yung data ng... Yeah, nagtataka rin ako. Hindi ko rin alam bakit nawawala yung data ng February 5. Akala ko ako lang din. MNQ, it's there. Kapag NQ, wala siya. So I guess it's not a big deal. Iniisip ko, chat, like, eto MNQ, nakikita ko siya. Feeling ko pwede tayo mag-trade into this bullish gap muna if we're gonna trade higher. Bullish for value gap. Pero ES gusto ko mag-long dito. So 1 minute for value gap. Or dito sa 1 minute level. Gusto ko target tong equal high up here. I like this. Need ko rin gumawa ng separate group para sa account ko na 150k. 210 onwards, 210 onwards. 50k accounts. 50k's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 50k's times 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 150k's times 5. Day 210 onwards. Ba't ganun 210? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 180 hanggang 205, 180 hanggang 205. Ah, 12 lang sila. 150k times 7. Tapos 50k times 7. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 50k times 12. Ilang ako. Sir, paano nga ulit mag-cancel ng sub sa Apex? Punta ka sa Apex dashboard. Click mo yung active subscription. Then yeah, just do that. Solid talaga yung YM, grabe. Feeling ko abot ng 50k to. Possible. Ito nga ba yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, chat, di ba? Pwede siya mag-trade dito sa 5-minute FVG without trading sa 9:30. Ito yung pinaka-minimum na hinahanap ko. A trade into this 5-minute FVG. Grabe yung YM. Solid. Di siya umabot sa entry ko, chat. Market is looking good today. Moving a lot. Moving big. Ideal scenario ako mag-create ng low ang ES Tapos yung NQ hindi. Mag-take out siya ng minor liquidity. DCA po natin, Kuya Ron. Hindi ako nagde-DCA eh. Bakit kaya di mo lumalabas ang volume profile? Di ako gumagamit noon, so I don't know. Alam ko volume profile is paid. Happy Friday. Nag-flip tayo sa NQ sa 15 minute. If you're bearish, mas magandang i-short si NQ. Personally bullish ako on this market, so but I think NQ can trade dito sa OTE, then trade higher again. Trade tayo sa 930 for value gap and then rejected very hard without getting me filled. Trade lang siya dito. Rejected. That's like a 15 points. 15 points on the ES. Solid. Medyo disappointing na ganito yung nangyari. Did not get filled with a good rejection. I don't trust the price action right now with how it's moving. Siya umabot dito sa 930 low na gusto ko. Good evening, Angel. Sing trade ako pero dito ako nakatambay. Well, doesn't matter kung anong klaseng type of trader ka. It doesn't matter. Just hang out and enjoy the vibe. Although mas low yung energy ko compared to other days, because it's Friday already. I'm preserving mental capital and capital at the same time. Tsaka tulog na yung kasama ko dito sa bahay, so maagang tulog today. Can't really go crazy. Also, I'm not trying to take a lot today. Just trying to see what I can get. Finally had a green day? Yeah. It's best to take a day off already if green ka na, especially after having a losing streak. Solid. Same with NQ. Sweep lower, trade higher. I'm gonna close tayo on NQ here. I'm gonna start becoming bullish again on NQ. Close above this M5 FVG. Nag-start mag-pick up yung momentum kay NQ compare kay ES since we took out this low. We could ano tayo breaker, which is here. We got a breaker. Isa din tong inversion na to. Possible tayo mag-trade lower then trade higher. Medyo annoying, not gonna lie. A bit annoyed with what happened. I did not get filled. It was just 4 points away for me from getting filled. Lapit ko na chat. That was so close. 4 points. This could be the first take profit or break even. But yeah, this is annoying. Okay lang ba FOMO? If you're asking that question, it's probably not a good idea. I mean, okay lang ba FOMO, but you should not try and click the button, right? Okay lang ma-feel yung emotion, but what you do with that emotion, it's up to you. Pwedeng nafe-feel mo yung FOMO but you're not going to do it, right? Then yeah, okay lang yan. But nafe-feel mo yung FOMO and you're acting based on that emotion, then it's not okay. That was a solid dump. That was a solid dump. That's like 20 points dump on the ES. On NQ, that is... How much was that on NQ? NQ, 94 points. 94 points, imagine. That's kind of crazy on NQ. Nag-trade back tayo sa level na to. That's crazy. Patayin ko lang ilaw ko, chat. Solid. That was a solid quick backup. Laki ng mga candles today, chat. Crazy. Nung starting trader ka, may patience ka na agad? Wala. Agad magantay na setup? Wala pa. O may binago ka pa sa psychology mo? It is a learned skill. Emotion regulation. It's like you still feel those emotions up to now, but you try your best not to make bad decisions based on previous experience. But yeah, I don't have a patience as well. Sometimes I don't have patience and I act on it. I still do. I'm not immune to it. I would say a lot of the time psychology problem. Kunyari, fear of losing. It just means you're overexposed. It's gonna get easier to trade kapag accepted mo yung risk. So each one of us has their own level of tolerance, right? Kapag nagtitrade ka and you're experiencing too much of emotion that can cause you to micromanage a position, then probably overexposed ka. You're not fully accepting the risk na nilagay mo sa market. It means you have to size down. Ang FOMO usually nag-occur, kunyari takot ka mawala ng setup. It means you do not trust your system. FOMO comes from not having any data. Kapag na-FOMO ka kasi you're thinking, wala nang next setup, right? That is the problem with FOMO. You think there's not gonna be any setup coming next, and the reason why nafe-feel mo yun kasi you don't trust yourself enough, you don't trust your edge enough. Siguro kung may journal ka where you can see the actual data, then mag-i-start ka mag-think ng long term. John Carl, how old are you? Like, the way na magsalita ka, it feels like you're a kid. Why are you asking me this question? Ilan taon ka na? I feel like I've seen you here. Ikaw ba yung nagsabing 12 ka pa lang? 13? Good evening, John Boss. Good evening. Ask ko lang, 20 accounts mo, yung monthly recurring na bill, isa lang or you need to pay the 20 accounts monthly? Lifetime yung binayaran ko, so wala siyang bayad na, hindi siya monthly, okay? Lifetime siya. Crazy that we dump in this level and just pump like that. May book ka ba na marirecommend? Trading in the Zone, Best Loser Win, Mental Game of Trading. Trading in the Zone #1. Naka 4 small payout na kasi ako sa funding pips. Tapos kahapon na-blow ko yung account ko na yun. Tingin ko may problema talaga ako. If you got a payout, you got your ROI, then you can move on. It is what it is. As a prop firm trader, you're not supposed to hold the account for years. Seller got absorbed, my man. Order flow is king. Okay. Let's go hit that daily for value gap. Yeah, I like the daily for value gaps upside, but at the same time, it's Friday. Usually pag Friday, mabagal ang delivery. That's why we're seeing this sloppy price action. But I don't know, maybe John Carl, may idea siya. Order flow is king daw, so... Ikaw lang nakita ko na trader na open sa PNL mo. Well... I wonder why. I wonder why others are not open to their PNL. I wonder why. Yung live account ko hindi ko tinitrade for months now because I've been struggling with that. Kumukuha ko ng payout muna. Kumuha akong payout para gumaan sa psychology ulit yung pag-trade ko dun sa live. Hopefully, price action is gonna get better at macro time. Right now, di ko mapagkatiwalaan yung delivery niya. It's slow, it's gonna take a lot of my mental capital. Although, I should have executed longs in here. On NQ, na nag-dump tayo, I should have taken a long on this dump. Dito, the stop ko below this. Yun yung isa sa mga I wish I did. Na-highlight ko to eh. Itong inversion na to, we could trade in here. That big dump is a perfect trap for sellers. Tapos buy ka below that candle low, stop below this low. Probably yung TP ko dito up here. Or I don't know. But yeah, nakafocus kasi ako masyado sa ES. That I missed the trade. I was looking at this. Galin ko na to. Gonna wait. Order flow ni ICT? Well, order flow ni ICT is subjective. It's ginagamit niya yung order flow na word for trend. Low resistance liquidity run condition? I don't think it is. I don't think it is low resistance liquidity run. It is on YM, but I don't believe it is NQ and ES. Why po nababawasan ng distribution drawdown sa eval kahit up ako ng 1K, di mo pa rin gets? How do I simplify this? Yeah, let me explain it to you in a simple terms. Sa Apex, we have trailing drawdown. 50K starting balance, right? Meron kang 2.5 drawdown. Nag-take ka ng buy here. Buy. Take profit mo $2,000. Right? This is your take profit. Ang risk mo 1,000. Umabot yung profit mo into this. Diba 1:1, nag-close ka. Meron ka ng 51K. Okay? May 51K ka. Hindi. Yan. Ulitin natin, no? Gawin natin 3,000 to. Ang take profit mo is $3,000. $3,000. Risk mo is the same, 1K. 1:3. 1:3 R. Yung price, umabot siya dito. Meron kang unrealized $2,000. Unrealized. Kaso, nag-trail ka ng stop. Yung stop loss mo, minove mo siya dito. Right? Nilagay mo siya dito sa $1,000. Kasi, meron swing low. Na-stop out ka dito. Ang realized profit mo, 1K. Pero, 51K yung balance mo. Pero from peak high, dito sa unrealized mo na 2K, natalo ka ng 1K. Therefore, kahit na 51K yung balance mo, ang drawdown mo na lang 1.5. Kasi nakabase ang drawdown mo sa floating profit. Hindi nakabase yung drawdown mo sa close trade. Nakabase siya sa floating. Okay? To give you another example, umabot yung price 2,500 unrealized profit. Kapag ito nag-retrace dito, nag-break even ka, mabublow yung account mo. Kasi naubos yung 2,500 mo na unrealized drawdown. I hope that explains it. Nakabase ang drawdown mo sa floating profit. Hindi siya nakabase sa closing trade. Nagkaroon ka ba ng trading buddy? I wouldn't say so. Si Mentor Neil, nakakausap ko before, pero we're not talking about strategy. Kasi hindi kami pareho ng strategy. But we talk about trading. But hindi yung everyday na pareho kami ng tinitingnan. Kasi hindi man kami pareho ng trading strategy na ginagamit. But I would say siguro closest one si Mentor Neil back then. More on goal setting. Kairita naman to. Di ako pinil dito, nakakainis. Intraday high na tayo. Bad trip. Ganda ng bullish ano, bullish trend. Pangit lang siya sa 1 but you can trust the 15. How do you bounce back from a losing day? I would say just keep showing up. Then eventually, I'd say gets ko na. Umabot nga trade ko ng 2.5 tapos nag-close ako sa 1.5k. Thanks, help, bro. Yep, you're welcome. Way back 2023, these two are the goats. Meron kang tab sa Discord na mental near. Oo nga. Solid. Ito yung mga payout ko back in 2023. Crazy how far I came or how far I've grown since then. I'm pretty sure like 3 to 5 years from now, as long as prop firm are still around, I'll make 100Ks. Payout ko to 2023. 5K account. Nagsara na to ngayon. May funded effects. 10K. Forex days. Naka 80% sales sa Apex ngayon. Did they announce it? Akala ko 50. Na-miss ko yung 5K account ko, na scale up ko ng up to 12.5. Solid yan ah. Ibig sabihin nag 20% gain ka. Sa the fiber version, no? Keep going higher, goddamn. Panghinayang yung trade na to. Di ako na-feel po siya. Bad trip. Nag-execute na lang ako sa 15. Kahit sa 50% lang. Kahit sa dito lang sana. Oh my. Pag US30 po ba, sir? Naglalok ng SMT? Naghanap ako ng SMT sa ES, not on DYM. NQ and ES ang ginagamit ko. Version. Gusto ko makita mag-trade yung market to this level. Let's close back again. Karoon ng IFBG inside the macro. Interesting. Willing ako to be buying at 2840. Stop ko below this wick. Which I will see. Medyo sharp drop masyado. If you think about it, we're inside a consolidation of 15. So let me just contemplate. Nandito tayo sa range sa 15. Just a bit sketchy. Dollar is dumping. We touched the all-time high on YM and we dump again. Crazy. Nag-touch tayo dito sa 5-minute IFPG. I wanna see if we can reclaim this area. Inside na tayo ng macro hour. Ano tayo ng shift in market structure sa downside? Bearish SMT. This makes me think if I should just change my bias and go short. Not doing anything yet, chat. Kung kinuha ko pala yung trade na yun sa 40, that would have been the 10 point. Ay, hindi siya na-fill. Oh, wow. That was fast. Still dumping. No execution for me yet. What I mean, sir, pag sa US 30 ka nag-TA, NQ ka maglo-look for SMT? Hindi. Usually, nagtitrade ako on YM based on strength. Gusto ko inverse sila ni NQ. Pag nagda-dump sa NQ, gusto ko long ako kay YM. And vice versa. Kapag yung 3 indices, pareho sila ng direction, like, para-pareho sila ng direction na tinitrade, mas gusto ko na mag-stick with NQ and ES. So basically, no, dito sa 5-minute na to, na inverse na naman siya after we put out that SMT. It's a choppy market, I would say. Sa 15 on NQ, we're just ranging while we reclaim this 15-minute gap. Pwede itong mag-akas OB if we close above it. But yeah, we'll see. Medyo conflicting yung bias ko at the moment. Got that inversion. Pero inversion while we haven't take out any significant liquidity pool is a bit suspicious to me. A bit sus. Di ko iti-take yung liquidity pool na walang at least SMT or di ko iti-take yung IFBG na walang SMT tsaka liquidity sweep. We both traded below this level. That was, yeah, it's a bit sketchy. Hindi ako comfortable to put on risk at the moment. Hindi ko siya ma-frame ng one-sided. Kasi meron siyang bearish overall trend, right, is bullish. But ang issue ko is we put out a bearish SMT with a good displacement lower. Kaya hindi ko mapagkatiwalaan yung longs and short at the same time. Yung mga ina-anticipate ko, they're not manifesting the way I want to see price react at a certain level are not being given to me. SMT plus 4-hour bearish stop. Yeah, I agree with you. Ang issue is draw. In terms of draw and liquidity, gusto ko yung draw sa previous day high. Yun yung issue ko. I wanna see this draw sa upside sa daily fair value gap. Then on ES previous day high, we got this 4-hour FBG tas 1 minute SMT. Pero yung draw and liquidity, the target is yun yung issue ko. So usually a 4-hour, yung 4-hour na gap, bearish gap, is aligned with the 15-minute. So we didn't do anything sa 15-minute, right? In-inverse natin to, but it was immediately reclaimed. Pero sa ES, 15-minute niya is still bullish. So hindi ko alam. A lot of time I don't know. I'm just trying to be patient until mag-align yung mga gusto kong makita. But walang NFP. Government shutdown. Shutdown yung government. So, ang pagkakalam ko, pag shutdown yung government, hindi nagtatrabaho yung mga empleyado. Hindi lahat ng sector, pero, yeah. Hindi sila nag-work kasi nga shutdown. Kasi sa US, ang nagiging problema nila, hindi magkasundo yung Senate, yung nila, committee sa budget. Hindi nila ma-approve. So, walang budget. Ganun yung pagkakaintindi ko. Kumbaga, isipin mo yung Senate sa Pilipinas. Sila Tito Ping at saka yung mga congressman. Hindi sila magkasundo. Hindi nila ma-approve yung proposal budget. Pero sabi nila mabilis lang daw. Parang sabi ni Trump, mas maliit yung ngayon. Matagal na government shutdown was last year. I think it lasted for 3 months or 2. Boss, ba't di ka na-feature nila Marp or Job? Di mo matagal ka na? I don't know. Iba yung market nila, guys. Iba yung market nila, and yeah, I don't know. Even if I was invited, I wouldn't probably go. Ibang market sila. Si Job is Forex, si Marvin is crypto. And to be honest, if you want my honest opinion, I don't think they're trading. What I do is real day trading every day. I day trade every day, every single day. Ever since nag-start ako mag-trade, there hasn't been a day na hindi ko tinignan ng chart. What I do is day trading, and I don't think they are day trading. Focus sila on entrepreneurship, which is okay lang naman. There's nothing wrong with that. As long as people finds value with them, they're not scamming. And that's not bad. Solid lang. Pretty sure. What are your thoughts? Na-chismis si Satoshi ang creator ng Bitcoin. I mean, anything is possible, but at the end of the day, even siya yung creator ng Bitcoin, people would still buy it. Patay na siya eh. If siya yung totoong creator, then yung Bitcoin ni Satoshi is really locked in. Tsaka they're using it as a narrative to spread FUD. Every bear market or dump sa market are cause of FUD, right? This is where people, smart money accumulate. This is why I didn't take the short, guys. I didn't trust it. I didn't trust it both ways. So weird. So weird ng PA. Grabe. $80% off nga ang Apex right now. One-time fee sa 150k is like 95. Pati sa 300k. Solid. We're just pushing. What the hell? Grabe. Hindi ko magiging breakaway gap to. Tuloy-tuloy lang to. Ah, shit. Ano masasabi mo, Lods, kay another day, another dollar na yung Eval, live money niya na pineflex niya sa mga followers niya? Hindi ko siya kilala. Another day, another dollar. Hindi ko siya kilala. 27's delay ng YouTube feed today, boss. I-times 2 ko para makatch up ko. Tama sinabi ni Dan Pena, pag nalaman niyo sino may-ari ng BTC, you will run and sell it immediately. Yung nagsasabi na ano? Tawag dito? Yung oh, we're still pushing. Damn. The fuck, bro? That's insane. Grabe. Wala pa rin akong trade, guys. Freaking crazy. Top tayo sa 4-hour level. The volatility is good. Just didn't like any 1 minute. 15 minute is good. Just trust the 15 and ride the wave type of day. Pero yung 1 didn't give too much, in my opinion. 1 minute didn't provide too much of opportunity para sa akin. Cyber PC, what's up? W. Cyber, you don't need to pay membership anymore. Di mo kailangan magbayad ng membership. I recommend canceling that. And guys, make sure you like the stream. That would mean a lot to me if you guys do. Na-fill natin yung buong 4-hour gap. Actually, dito pa lang filled na siya eh. Ano yung naka-highlight na yun? 1 hour. Saan yung London High? London High is up here. Ay, chat. Might be one of the days na wala akong setup sa stream. Ayoko naman mag-take ng setup for the sake of taking it. Sometimes it can feel like that. For the sake of entertainment, napipilitan na akong mag-take ng trade. Paano yung ganyan? Tapos dalawang magkaibang time frame. Make sure na meron kang trading view subscription. Tapos, yan dito. ESNQ. Actually, pwede akong 4 na chart eh. Ayan o. I think hanggang 8 pwede ako. Alam ko hanggang 8 pwede ako. Or 6. Yeah, pwede akong 6. Ayan. Meron akong ganun na sa taas. Tinitingnan ko yung other markets. Pero dalawa, tinitingnan ko lang yung SMT between ES and NQ. Bro, na-tilt ako today. 600 na lang payout na. Na-blow mo yung account or what? Friday is the worst to get tilted. Kasi yung Sabado mo affected. Kaya ako pag Friday, as much as possible, I try to chill out. Especially after being green already. Nag-overtrade ako at oversize just to make it back. 3 weeks of hard work faded. Damn, I feel you. Ganyan ako last December. I was in that boat. Pinush ko yung December, which is a wrong month to push leverage. And I paid the price. Tilt ko ako kahapon, nadala ko ngayon. Yeah, a reset. Ako pag ganyan, pinaka the best is just starting new eval. New funded. Para ma-reset. Kasi new account. Kapag probation sa Apex after requesting a payout then deny it, pwede pang maka-payout sa susunod? I think so, yes. I would say tanong mo sa support. Hindi ko alam yung rules ng probation. Kasi pag probation ka, alam ko may specific na rules ang gustong makita. Hindi ko lang alam yung mga rules. It depends. Nanonood, di naka-like. Yeah, make sure, chat, you like the stream. It's Friday. Chat, it's Friday. You must like the stream. What's going on? What's good, chat? Make sure you like. Now back to square one, but we're sure to make it this year. Nagawa ko sa funding ticks, gagawin ko rin sa Apex. Yeah bro, you can do it. The thing about, pwede ka mag-top step if gusto mo talaga ng no consistency, right? I don't talk about taxes, but you should pay your tax. Na-miss ko yung beberies. Soon magpapag-giveaway ako. I'll do it. Pangit na top step, may consistency na 40%. Nakita ko parang merong option ng payout policy na gusto mo. They're doing that kasi I think sa silver, marami sila natalo sa silver. Tutake ako ng long here. Stop ko is below this low. Reclaim nitong 1 minute FBG, taking this low. Stop below this, just 10 points. Alam ko yung top step, parang dalawa yung payout policy nila today. Will I get filled? Will I get left behind? Not good, bro. Mukhang left behind ako dito. Medyo annoying. fair value gap to fair value gap ako. From this reclaim nito, I'm gonna take profit here. Sana hindi pa ma-hit ito. Bad trip. Gusto ko ma-fill dito, tapos take profit ko is here. Kairit ah. Yeah, I'm not going to put on risk. Hindi ko nakikita yung mga gusto kong makita, chat. Gusto kong ma-fill doon. Take profit here, right? Stop loss ko here. Pero wala. Hindi binibigay. Pay tax, feed the crocs in the Philippines. Yung 40% consistency rule sa top step ata, hindi naman siya, parang option lang siya. Hindi mo naman siya kailangan i-avail. Pag mag-live ka, ma-forfeit lahat yung excess, konti lang madala mo. Well, the thing is, hindi naman tayo mapuput sa live. Taga Pilipinas tayo. Bawal tayo sa live account. So, we will never get put into a live sa top step. And also, meron tayong payout cap na 200k. Pag nag-payout ka ng 200k with top step, bawal ka na mag-trade sa kanila, ever. Nag-increase sila ng price. I think yung top step, malaking damage yung nangyari sa kanila last month. Nung last December ba yun, yung palagi may outage, nagre-reset sila ng mga account. And then, silver, kasi yung silver, ban na sa Apex eh. Pero wala silang consistency. So, merong mga trader for sure na nagpa-profit ng 100k sa isang araw per account. Kasi sobrang daling maka-profit sa silver. Mga nagpo-full port. The Fivers cooking futures? Yeah, nakita ko yon, pero I don't know if they would even have Philippines. Lahat ng Forex na nakita ko nag-transition sa futures, halos wala silang Philippines. Funding ticks lang tsaka funded next. Grabe, it's still going. Imagine, di ako na-fill dun. Pero even if I got filled dun sa trade na yon, hindi ko i-hold yun. Yeah, kahit GC ban, yeah. I can see why, kasi volatile siya. Kawawa yung mga prop firms sa mga ganong asset na nagmo-move ng 7%, 6%. Tapos di hinahalt ng government. Kasi ang NQ, pag nag-move yan ng 7% down sa isang araw, ika-close nila yung market. Pag nag-trade ang NQ ng 7%, i-close na nila. May rule sa mga prop firm na pag umabot siya ng ganon, hindi mo na pwedeng i-trade. Otherwise, it's either mabibreach yung account mo or re-remove yung profit. Kahit mga broker, bawal. Come here, Bebo. Come to daddy. Sige na, higa ka na dyan. Higa ka na dito kay daddy. Say hi ka sa kanila. Say hi. Cute niya na. Cute na nga sa no, chat. Pag nagtatrabaho ako, nakaganto lang siya sa akin. Natutulog. Di ba, Bill? Kiss mo, daddy. Kiss mo si daddy. Dali. O, matulog ka na. Kung ayaw mong kiss si daddy. Shit. Trader din yan. Advice ng pag-control ng tilt. Para sa akin, daily loss limit talaga. Pag natitilt ka, dapat kapag na-hit yung daily loss limit mo, you should stop trading. Ako, the best is just shutting down the computer. Tapos hindi ko titingnan yung chart regardless of what's gonna happen. So, shut down computer, tapos manunod ako ng anime. Yun ginagawa ko. If you're into anime, just find something that you like doing. To me, that's watching anime. Kapag sobrang bad trip na talaga ako, I'll just turn it off. Turn the PC off, tapos watch akong anime. Hindi ko man i-contemplate anong ginawa akong mali. Babalikan ko yun later, tomorrow or kaya weekend. Anong book po marirecommend nyo? Bible. Bible. Pwede naman maglulu. Joke lang, sir. Ayun, sabi ni Boyot, pag sobrang stress, maglulu ka daw. Or siguro ano pa ba? Pag natitilt ako, dati nag-stress eating ako. Mag-order ako ng Grab. Ngayon, hindi ko na ginagawa yun kasi nagdi-diet ako. Going to the gym every day. Very proud. Ever since this year, nagdi-gym ako every day. Strict ako sa diet ko. And all that fun stuff. Nagko-contemplate ako if I should long here or kaya naman dito. 259. I guess yeah, I can just do this. 12-point stop. Kaya pala macho ka na, Lods. Yes, sir. Gusto ko magka-6-pack. I wanna have a 6-pack, chat. Everyday ako nag-gym. Let's see if I'm gonna possibly win here or take a shit. But either way, one and done. 10:30 candle is gonna be interesting as well. Should give us some volatility. Next 15 minutes open. 2 minutes more. Gusto ko tong entry na to because it's also a 5-minute gap, right? 5-minute gap, 5-minute low. Pero iniisip ko rin maglong kaya ako dito sa OB. Lowest portion ng 5 minutes for value gap, which is here. Kasi feeling ko pwede ako nahihirapan na ako, Bel. Man, I do cycling, do 100k. Wait lang. Anuin ko lang ang aso ko. Come here. Bilisan mo, baka ma-feel ako. Kanina back day ako sakit ng likod ko. Wala na namang field chat. Ka-umay. Ihilang ako dyan. Kung nag-take out tayo ng high chat, I'm just gonna call it a week. Wala hindi nagmamanifest yung mga trade ko maganda yung performance ko this week. So, don't wanna miss that. Yung mga latest account ko. Ito yung mga brand new account. Three green days ako on this brand new accounts. 1.1k. Yung live account ko, niisip ko ngayon, withdraw ko na lang ata to eh. Down ako ng 2k just last month sa live. Yung basically lahat ng profit ko from last year were wiped out in a one bad month. Ni-stop ko siya. Last year profitable ako dito. Ini-start ko yata to April. Sakit matalo sa live, legit. Ayaw. Tayo maging 2025 nito, nakakairita. So 2025 tapos ito December 2025. Tayo mag-load. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Ayaw mag-load, oh. Ayaw mag-load. Kasi hindi ko pa pinili yung date. Ayan. Last year, chat. Up ako ng 1k lang. Are you crazy? Tinrade ko to in September. Ito yung stats ko sa live account. Still trying to figure out how to trade live. Month ko November was 2.4k. Sa December, talo ako 500. Up lang ako ng 1k after trading it like for 3 months or 4 months. Tapos, yung January ko was 2.4, which sucks. Pag isasama natin tong yan. Nag-start akong 50k this year. 48k na lang ata ngayon. Tapos, marami rin kasing times ang nagiging issue ko yung trading view. If nanonood kayo ng stream ko, may mga times na natatalo ako ng 200, 300 kasi yung stop ko hindi natitrigger. Yun yung isa sa mga nakakainis eh. Kapag nagkaroon ka ng technical error sa live account, it is painful. Di ba bro, may platform naman to trade IBKR? Ang issue ko kasi ito kasi iniisip ko. Kapag nag-trade ako sa IBKR, kailangan kong bayaran yung data fee. Kasi wala ka naman libreng data feed eh. Kailangan mong bayaran yun per month. So babayaran ko yun, data feed. Tapos another platform na naman yun. Pag nagtitrade ako, may trading view ako, may IBKR ako. Meron akong prop firm. So ang tendency, pwede akong alam mo yun, yung maratel ako sa sobrang daming minamanage. So hanggat maaari sana, yung trading view saan ako nagcha-chart, doon na lang ako mag-execute ng trade. Base it din ba yung live mo? Hindi. Sa live ko, nag-hold ako ng trade. Hindi ako nagbe-base it. Kasi ang problem is MNQ. Pag nagbe-base it ka ng MNQ, masakit ang masakit ang commission. At saka, pangit ang feels sa MNQ. Lalo na pag base it, mafe-feel ka lang 2. Ganyan, kunyari 5 contracts, mafe-feel ka 2. Tapos, yun nga, ang trading view kasi sobrang delay. Kapag na-hit yung price, hindi niya feel yung sayo kasi may lag. Kasi yung server, sinesend niya pa lang sa trading view. By the time na mafe-feel ka, wala na yung price doon. So, nafe-feel ka sa worst price. Kunyari, nag-trade siya sa 30, tapos nag-trade siya away from it. Pumunta siya sa 32, 35. Doon ka mafe-feel even though nag-send yung trading view ng signal sa IBKR habang nasa 30. Depende sa margin. Yun din yung issue ko. 'Di ba alam niyo naman kapag static yung account ko, mahilig ako mag-pyramid sa position. Hindi ako makapag-pyramid sa live account. Kasi yung margin requirement, hindi ako pwede mag-trade ng 2 mini. 1 mini yung max. Kung gusto ko mag-trade ng 2 mini, kailangan ko pa mag-deposit ng 20k. May alam kong free journal. Sa Discord, si Vanitas ata. May nakita ko sa Discord. Gumagawa sila ng mga journal sa ChatGPT. Nagsimula ka rin ba sa MT5? Yes. Sa Forex prop firm. Do you use mini or micro? It depends. It depends on the risk I want to take. Micro. So, nag-a-adjust. Look at YM chat. What did I told you? It's gonna go to 50k. YM is gonna go to 50k today. Crazy. I have the correct bias going into open sa YM, all-time high. Tapos 50k. This is gonna go to 50k today. Lately, I've been liking YM. The way it's moving, I like it. Problema lang dito, di siya nagbigay ng entry. Which is annoying, but it is what it is. Chat, I'm gonna call it a day. Not taking any trade at all. I guess it's a good week to wrap up. Maganda yung performance ko on my new PAs after 3 days of trading. So, I'm just gonna call it a day, really. Not going to trade any further. In flow state ako right now, not feeling any FOMO. So, yeah. Chat, thank you. Na-appreciate ko kayong magtambay dito. No trade today. The same balance na makikita nyo is gonna be the same balance and account number you will see. So, it is what it is. We were here for 3 hours. Wala akong nakitang setup. May times na gusto ko mag-long, which was down here. Hindi ako na-fill. And it happens. Right? Wala tayong magagawa. And it's just the name of the game, trading. It's how it works. Sometimes you win, sometimes you do nothing. Alright, chat. Peace out. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys on Discord. Bye-bye.